got Conrad. We got Jenny helping. Can you raise this seat up for me? Conrad's a big feller.
You don't have to say that. Sit on it.
Mr. Conrad, how long have you had this bump on your back?
7 years.
7 years. How did it get started?
I don't know exactly.
I know, Jenny's awesome. So Conrad's going to be real cool and let us video his procedure for all our friends on Facebook and YouTube and wherever else around the world. I like to get this whole area, so that way we don't get it in.
That means I'm going to have to clean it up more.
That's okay. I think you can handle that.
Okay, I guess.
So this has never drained, has it?
Uh-uh.
Never really gotten hot, like it was infected or anything?
Not till recently it started feeling tender and stuff.
You said this started after your ex-wife gave you a kiss there or something?
Well, she said it was an ingrown pimple or something. It was just a little lump then.
Uh-huh.
And she was always trying to pop it with her knuckles.
Oh. Is that right? Wait a minute, Jenny. Wait.
Wait.